lots of pieces. And over there's my colorful collection. It's got like
That's beautiful. Yellow. And the pink.
So black and gold. Let me just bring in the colors also. Hello, my God. How are you doing?
I've come running for my shoot. I'm coming and I'm going to run
Meet
away
her.
really quickly.
Amara, Bailey. So the whole collection, basically, I was saying is the house inspired by God's garden. The whole collection's got that look and feel. But lots of cuts, even things like this, which I really encourage it. Sometimes, you wear those. I mean,
I like how you not kept it so much.
sometimes you need like and that's like wear the bells.
So nice. Oh my God.
Bye, Pranali. This my first time there. Like I think when
बोलूं क्या ऐसे कुछ नहीं जान मैम मैम मैं बोलता हूँ
even if the right one also look sometimes those entire you know wear it whenever you need whenever I'm floating in my behind.
You gotta stand up for this. Can you like switch down?
You got the picture? Okay. I have to now learn.
What a lovely place.
What's happening with you?
Even ours is a maniac.
Amira, you has called Mr. X. I know Mr. X I concept about how you. I'm like, I'm gonna watch it. Of course. One more your hand. Yeah. Wait. I'm going to.
थोड़ा पीछे हो भाई तेरे काम का नहीं हट जा पीछे जा हियर
Okay, so let's start from there to there. Yeah.
One more year, Mark. Stop. Wait. That is, it's like, it's with you now. I'm telling you, like, I'm going to keep it for you. I can all of, like, hundreds of things are coming. So, you know, whatever you need, like, I'm going to do it.
हेलो हेलो चल चल थोड़ा उधर से चल चल लगा लगा
Well, I spoke to Harsh about it, and he said he's trying to recreate God's garden. And as you know, like when you define God's garden, you can only call it beautiful and pure and basically serene. And I think that's what he's done with his clothes. Like I told him, I'm in love with that gown, and I'm gonna wear it for an award function soon. And even like the other, like the blacks and the golds, and I'm someone who likes all of these shiny things. So even that was really nice. And the fact that he incorporated some color into it as well. And these were all like really bright colors, from like a yellow to a pink to, you know, like a violet. And I think he actually has taken the concept of God's garden and beautifully recreated it with clothes. So yeah, well done.
Talk about color.
did. We actually found this really, really cute gown in pink. So I'm going to steal that also.
Okay, may I know what's your upcoming project?
Mr. X is coming out on the 17th of April, and it's with Imran Hashmi, and he's basically back with the whole Bhatt camp after about 2 years, I think. So, you know, we'll look out for that, and it's going to be big.
Okay, anything else you want to say?
Basically, just look out for Harsh. He's done an amazing job, and you'll see me wearing him very soon. Thank you.
यहाँ पे लोग क्या है? Okay, here we are for Popular Raza. So, like, what do you have seen here?
Well, I am here mainly for Harsh. Harsh, as I know, is an absolutely fantastic designer. I've been wearing his clothes and I've been swearing by his clothes for the longest time possible. I'm here to support him. I'm here to tell him that we're all backing you and we're all really waiting to kind of get our hands on the clothes that he has kind of designed this year. And of course, he's put up a great show at the Beach Fashion Week. And as you can see, there's so many beautiful clothes out here. And I am quite sure I'm going to quietly take one and go.
So, what kind of collection you are looking out for here?
Well, if you see, there's everything out here that a girl would really like to wear. There's something that's there's not everything that's very, very tight fitting. Yeah, Harsh is known to make really fitted clothes. But what's really nice is that you even get to see some clothes that are a little loose. So it's not like you're struggling in the clothes either. It's easy, it's breezy, some of them are nice. And of course, when you want to look glamorous and nice, he also has the tight fitting, sexy numbers. So,
As
yeah.
we always seen you for giving a fashion tip. So, what if you want to give a tip over here, what?
Well, my fashion tip would be that it's very important for you to understand your body and to understand your body type. If something looks good on a skinny girl, and if you do not belong to that body type, please don't just blindly go and pick up something that you think looked good on her, so will look good on you. You have to understand your body and dress accordingly.
Here we have seen many of color. So, which is your favorite color you are seeing here?
You know what? There are many blacks here, there are many golds here, but my eye is on the one red that is here. Can you see that red outfit there? That red outfit is what I want, and I am going to take it. Yeah.
And may I know what's your upcoming project?
Well, right now, as you know, I'm a VJ on MTV. I am doing a lot of other projects for MTV itself. So at the moment, in fact, I've just come running from my shoot for this. I'm doing a show called LinkedIn MTV Get a Job. I'm doing that. Other than that, I also do a show on MTV called Colors of Youth. Apart from the stuff that I do on MTV, I host the IFA Awards every year. So hopefully you will see me there this year as well. And without a doubt, I also did the GMA Awards. So these are the things that I mostly do, and I really look forward to all of you watching it, tweeting me, and telling me how you like the stuff out there.
So, when we can see you on screen?
On screen, well, I did do a film, Nautanki Sala, with Ayushmann, but post that, I'm guilty of not really paying attention to that side and only focusing on television. So, God willing, soon. Well, जाते जाते आपके लिए सिर्फ यही एक मैसेज है कि अपने बॉडी को समझिए, ड्रेस वेल, ड्रेस कॉन्फिडेंटली. You are beautiful no matter what packaging you come in, and just believe that you can achieve everything. And this is for all my lovely female viewers out there. Thank you.
Just turn around.
Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Tell me.
Okay, हर्ष जैसे हम जानते हैं कि हीरे की परख एक जोड़ी को होती है, तो वैसे जानते हैं कि आपके इतने काफी अच्छे कलेक्शन हैं, तो उसको लेकर क्या कहेंगे?
हीरे की परख जोरी को होती है. अच्छे कलेक्शंस तो मैं क्या कहूँ? I think you are the जोरी. Because I think you are saying it's अच्छा collection, so I think I do as an artist, मैं अपनी तरफ से best देता हूँ. And after that, it's people who admire and decide कि अच्छा है कि बुरा है. And I'm glad कि everyone is liking it, everyone is enjoying it, appreciating it. So it's amazing, you know, कि इतने लोग, so many people are appreciating you. It's art, no, and we are artists. So for us, the food is appreciation, happiness. You know, it's very satisfying.
As you always know
fitted clothes. No, I'm doing more also. I'm doing variations also. So it's not that you'll see a lot of variations. So things like, so I'm doing a lot of variations now. So there are a lot more silhouettes introduced. But I always try to push my boundaries and come up with something very interesting and innovative. That's very important for me. Hi.
And we also saw lots of collection over here. We can say home accessories. So what basically what's your favorite collection in them?
I love, all these pieces which I've, put them here are like really, really special to me. I really enjoyed making them. I totally enjoyed making them. So it was fun doing the collections. It is a process. It's art. Ultimately, it's your profession. If you don't enjoy, then what's the whole point? So it's something that when you enjoy, you feel amazing. And all these muses, Amira, who's so pretty, Galen, Anusha, all these are amazing. I mean, when they come and they love you, you feel thankful. So I'm very happy that everybody could manage to come. It's amazing to be part of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, can I take one second, ma'am? Yeah, ma'am, look here.
Action shot. Thank you.
Ready, ma'am? Look इधर रखना।
ये पहना।
Look here.
Anusha.
Anusha here. Hi. Okay, thank you.
So like, this is made for you. I don't to do justice to this. It's like just sexy and stylish.
Thanks.
One second. Yeah. Like,
Thanks, love.
Yes.
Left corner, ma'am. Left corner. हुआ? No. निखिल
Hold this flash, Anusha. Or give me a flash. One second, sorry.
Now it's taken my clutch off.
Yeah,
You come in the picture?
what? Are you? Take this one.
Are we done? Yeah.
Thank you.
That's one solo.
Put money in
You
it.
guys, it's all yours. Obviously, it's not. One second, huh?
I'm done. No. We won't. Don't.
When we shout,
Tanaz on the right, please. On the right. Man here. Man here. Tanaz. Tanaz, you can. One second. No, I'm not short yet. Tanaz center. मेरा नंबर हेलो मैम
you gave the nice.
शिकवू ना काहीतरी अनुष्का बोलतोय कधीपासून
Great.
उसका लिस्ट पे नाम नहीं है। क्या लिस्ट में
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, here.
So, हर्ष के यहाँ पे डिजाइनिंग के कपड़े हैं, तो लाइक उनमें से सबसे पसंदीदा आपको अब तक कौन सा है?
मेरे को काफ़ी सारे कपड़े अच्छे लगे हैं। आई एम एक्चुअली कमिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। आई डोंट नो हर्ष पर्सनली। मैं लवली
ये मुझे अभी हर्ष ने बनाया है, ये नेक पीस और ये श्रग पार्ट्स, एंड आई थिंक इट लुक्स वेरी क्लासी। व्हाट डू यू से रिद्धि?
इट लुकिंग वेरी नाइस,
है ना?
आज जो यहाँ पे कई कलर्स है, सब है, तो लाइक आप लोग दोनों में से सबसे आप दोनों का सबसे फेवरेट कलर कौन सा है?
आई थिंक मेरा फेवरेट कलर नहीं, जो हर्ष का जो इसका पैटर्न है और जिस तरह से यू नो इतने क्लोथ्स में वो एक पिंच ऐड किया है थोड़ा सा, आई थिंक वो मेरा फेवरेट हो गया है। ऐसे कोई स्पेसिफिक कलर नहीं, बिकॉज गोल्डन हो चाहे ब्राउन हो चाहे ब्लू हो चाहे रेड हो, सभी कलर्स को बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुली उससे कपड़े डिज़ाइन किए। सो दिस नो पर्टिकुलर कलर, बट या आई लाइक हिज स्टाइल।
And girl is always known for like कपड़ों को देख के ही लड़कियाँ की शोभा बढ़ती है। इसको लेकर क्या है?
कपड़े यार, कपड़ों से शोभा बढ़ती है। एब्सोल्युटली राइट। अगर हम कपड़े नहीं पहनेंगे तो शोभा नहीं आएगी।
ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहनेंगे तो
सो या आई थिंक लड़कियां हैं तो शौक होता है यू नो टू ड्रेस अप एंड टू लुक गुड एंड like any other normal girl, I also enjoyed doing that. मुझे बहुत पसंद है to get ready, but I'm not really into proper dressing up and all that. मैं बहुत
We both are a little lazy इस चीज में, है ना? Little tomboy, little lazy, आप कुछ भी बोलो, but या हमें बहुत अपना माइंड सेट करना पड़ता है, नहीं आज हम रेडी होंगे।
seriously. So I think हम यहाँ पे इसीलिए आए ताकि हम थोड़ी क्लासेस ले सकें how to be like.
तो आप किस तरह का डिजाइन पसंद करते हैं? लाइक आपके लिए लड़कियाँ ट्रेडिशनल इन्फ्लुएंस जाती है या
आई थिंक डिज़ाइन से ज़्यादा फॉर मी इट्स द कट. मुझे कट्स बहुत पसंद है. आई फर्स्टली डिज़ाइंस आई लाइक बिल्कुल मिनिमलिस्टिक. अगर कुछ पहना भी है तो भी सिंपल and something that you can probably accessorize and repeat a couple of times, but more than the design I think I like simple cuts. I like my clothes to be cut well.
I think for me what matters is that it should look good on my body, because it should be according to my body, my posture. और मैं बहुत सेफ खेलती हूँ, मैं ज़्यादा रिस्क नहीं लेती कपड़ों में भी. तो आई डोंट ऐड मच. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत ऐड करना होता है आई मेक श्योर कि वो ज़्यादा ना लगे, बहुत कुछ रॉन्ग ना चले जाए, इसलिए आई डोंट टेक मच रिस्क.
जानना चाहेंगे आपका
अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट. तो अभी फिलहाल आप खतरों के खिलाड़ी देख सकते हैं हम दोनों को खतरों के खिलाड़ी में. अभी आगे का अभी सच कुछ फाइनल नहीं हुआ है, सो जब भी आएगा तो सबको पता चल जाएगा.
आई एम नॉट टेकिंग अप एनीथिंग. मैं सीरियसली जेन्युइनली वेट कर रही हूँ कुछ अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग आए टेलीविजन पे. आई डोंट वांट टू लीव टेलीविजन एंड गो एनीवेयर एल्स. सो आई वांट टू डू समथिंग दैट इज बेटर देन मेरे लास्ट शोज मर्यादा एंड सावित्री. कुछ ऐसा है जो परफॉर्मेंस ओरिएंटेड हो. मुझे अगर इतना चूजी होना है तो थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव टू डू. थैंक यू.
I like that. Do it. बोलू इसको कपड़ा देखते हैं. बोलू कपड़ा देखते हैं. I like that. I like that.